Welcome to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Be wise and subscribe.
Today's video will be about Microsoft PowerPoint.
How to rearrange slides in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. How many times have we created a PowerPoint presentation that is consisted of many slides, and at the end we need to rearrange the order of the slides so our message can be clearer and more obvious? This is where the slide sorter view appears, where we can easily drag and drop our slides so we can rearrange them with just a few clicks. We have a PowerPoint presentation that contains many slides. We must select the View tab of the ribbon and then locate the area from the left named Presentation Views. Then we hover over with our mouse on the Command Slide Sorter where we are notified. See thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation to easily rearrange them. We can see all the slides of our presentation as thumbnails. We just click on the one that we want, and by using drag and drop on the slide thumbnail, we move it to the position that we want. This way we have a glimpse of all our slides at once, and we can rearrange them to the exact spot that we need in our presentation.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know. Be wise and subscribe.